Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing another video in my series, Cleaning Like Other YouTubers. So I had started this series a while ago, but I wasn't really sure how to execute it 100% properly, like how I wanted to. But now I think I have it figured out, so I wanted to go ahead and kind of restart this series again. I did one on Love Meg a long time ago. Like I said, it wasn't executed 100% how I wanted it to. So I think I figured it out now, so we're going to start this series over again, and I'm going to be reacting to and cleaning like one of Love Meg's videos. So the video that I chose is the After Dark Clean With Me. I have not watched it. Sorry if you guys can hear Holden in the background. He's like playing all around me. It's just like, this place is a mess. Anyways, so I chose her After Dark Clean With Me, the most recent one that she posted. I have not watched the video yet, but I'm really hoping that she gets to the living room and the kitchen at least, because those are both the areas in my home that need the most attention. So what I'm gonna do is I'm basically just going to play snippets of her videos and just clean what she's cleaning and how she's cleaning, and then we'll see at the end if her method worked to clean my house. I'm gonna show you all the areas in my home that need some attention, and then we'll see at the end if my house got clean by cleaning the way that Love Meg does. So I do want to say also that if you are not subscribed to Love Meg, which I'm sure you probably are if you're on this channel, everybody loves Love Meg. I will have her video as well as her channel linked in the description box below. So if you have not subscribed to her, definitely go over there and do so, which I'm sure you are. She's like one of the biggest clean tubers that there is. And she is the inspiration for getting me started with my channel. So I definitely wanted to make sure that I was starting this little series off with her. So I'm going to have everything linked in the description box below, and let's see how messy my house is right now. You can see Holden has been playing here. He's been making a little city, and as you can see, it's quite a mess. We also have some dirty clothes over there. It's not a big mess. I know it's your city. It's beautiful, honey. And we've been eating in here the last couple of days. Like, it is just, with this whole quarantine, everything's just been going to heck because I have just not cared. I'll be honest with you guys. It is a huge mess in here, and we definitely need to clean up this area. Moving on into the kitchen area, we also have a mess in here. So I'm hoping that she works on her kitchen and her living room area in this video, because that's what needs to be done at my house. Our office could also use some attention. I just have stuff piled on my desk. I haven't even been able to use my desk because there's so much stuff just piled onto it. It's just crazy. So those are the main three rooms that need some attention in my house. My bedroom probably needs a little bit as well. Probably not a whole lot. I probably just need to make the bed in there. But my boyfriend is still sleeping in there, so I'm not sure if she does her bedroom or not in this video, but if she does, I'm gonna have to wait until later to do it. So anyways, without further ado, let's just get right on into it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put on her video, and we will see what she gets up to here. Okay, here it is. So it's called the 15-minute After Dark Clean With Me Nighttime Cleaning Motivation.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you are new. I have something very embarrassing to show you guys. We are leaving for Disney World in the morning. As most of you guys know, we have annual passes, so we go a lot because we don't have to pay for tickets. So look at my house. I have been planning all of our outfits for Disney, and then the kids.
I love how she's embarrassed to show me that mess, and I just showed you guys the mess that I just showed you.
I thought we were gonna wear, but aren't going to wear. And then
but I'm glad she has to do her living room.
That need to be packed up now, and it's just like really a disaster. I've got dog hair all over the pillows. This is a true complete disaster. When we get back, I plan on decorating for Easter and spring, so I was brainstorming yesterday and got out all of my totes and started looking through all of my stuff. I don't know what possessed me to do this before we leave for Disney when I'm not even decorating right now anyway, but I did it. This is what my kitchen is looking like. Julie had some food.
Okay, so she has to do her kitchen. That's good.
I went to go get the boys' haircuts right now. Yeah, it's just a disaster. Just taking you guys into our room.
Oh, and she is going into the bedroom.
Bedroom looks like it is also a disaster. I recently went and got
The bedroom's not too bad.
So in this video, I
do need to make the bed.
declutter this. This is just a mess. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this. I think I'm actually going to use one of these Ziploc bags that I've been telling you guys about and pack for our trip in one of these. So I'm trying to figure out how exactly I want to do this to save my sanity, because when my house is this dirty, like, I feel very overwhelmed, and I think what I'm gonna do is take it one room at a time, and once that room is clean, I'll move on to the next. And I think I'll end up packing as the very last thing, just because that's like the biggest thing for me to do. And
We don't have to pack. We're not going anywhere. We're in quarantine.
Right now, feel like I'm accomplishing something. So I think the easiest place to start is going to be our bedroom. I'm gonna start in our bedroom first, and then I think the next thing I'll do is like clear off the kitchen table and get all of the Easter decor out of here. And yeah, so just start small. So if you're also feeling overwhelmed today, start small. Do your smallest chore first, smallest few chores first, until you feel like, okay, I've got some momentum going and I'm feeling really motivated now. So that's what I'm gonna do, and let's go ahead and get started in this bedroom.
Where you move, make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know, you will always be the. Yeah, I know, you will always be the. Yeah, I know, you will always be. Come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know, you will always.
All right, so the bedroom is all cleaned up now, even vacuumed, so big accomplishment. Now I am going to actually turn over the load of clothes because I heard it finish up while I was cleaning the bedroom. So I'm gonna get those clothes drying, and then I'm gonna work on this table over here.
You're the one that I need. Yeah, you make me feel like there's no air left to breathe. Yeah, you make me feel like I can run on water. I'm picking up the speed. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be there. Oh, oh, 'cause you will always be the one to hold me. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know, you will always be the. Yeah, I know, you will always be the. Yeah, I know, you will always be. Come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, I know, you will always be the. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you, baby. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you. 'Cause you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel like, I said you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel. I know, you will always be the. You will always be the one who knows me. You will always be, come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. It's easy to speak out about the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I am not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I am not pretending, I'm more like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Who knows what you think about me? And I know I shouldn't care. I really tried my best, but I can't make you happy. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could. I don't know how or what I could have done better. Baby, I really tried the best I could. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I've played my part for nothing, and I did it all for you, for you. Yeah, we've been through this, I'm not the one you need right now. And I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could, the best I could. I can't stop time for you. Running out of energy, I realize you'll never be the one for me. I can't stop time for you. Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now. I don't need this right now. Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now, right now, right now. Okay. Right, so 1, 2, 3. I can't stop time for you. 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 Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now. I don't need this right now.
Alright, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below which YouTuber you would like to see me clean like next. And I hope you're having an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.